Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, here at E-Trade, and been ignoring this account for a little while, and I need to do some cleanup and some maintenance, odds and ends. I have a little bit of a negative account balance. We'll look at that in a minute. So first thing, this did not work out very well. Unfortunately, there was a lot of promise here for this company, but at this point, I just need to cut bait. Yeah, it's going to cost me to sell, but I just want out. So, it hurts to do this a little bit, but, got to take the good with the bad. So, it didn't work out. Okay. Let's move on. Now, this is the negative account balance we're working on. So, I'd like to see that at 0 if we can, without selling too much more stock, if possible. Now, the way we do that is with options. So, this is an options marathon. So, first, we're going to look at Intel. We're going to look at Ford. We're going to look at Cleveland Cliffs, and we're going to see what we can do. So we've owned these for a while, and it looks like we got some profit in there. So now it's time to what we call sell some covered calls, and we're going to make some cash flow on this account. And hopefully we're going to bring it closer my balance to 0 without selling stock potentially. So this first one we're going to look at, Intel. Earnings are coming up. Premium is high. So only a couple days left. And yeah. Okay, we're going to February. Let's take a look at that. No. Let's go back. Premium is not that much different. So only a few days. Let's do that instead. So looks like some pretty good premium. We're gonna make about $70-some, which pretty good. I like it. Can't beat that. Hopefully the stock is not going to move too much higher. I know they've had issues with supply chain and blah blah blah. So, okay, we're making a dent into that negative. We're bringing it more positive. Okay. The goal is to bring this number to 0. Might not happen this month, but we're going to keep working at it. So be sure you guys subscribe and see how we dig ourselves out of this hole. So next stock up is... let's see what's next. Cleveland Cliffs. Now, I love this stock, okay? They are a supplier of iron ore and steel ore, and it's good to make the steel. So, big company, big customers. It's like mining stock. So, pretty good. I like it a lot, like I said. I wish I bought a lot more when I did on the cheap. But now we're going to sell a covered call on here, generate some cash flow. Yeah. And hopefully the stock doesn't move above the strike, so I don't want to sell it. But if I have to, I will. I can always sell a put on it next month, a cash cover put. And maybe I'll get put to stock. So I want to keep it in the portfolio if I can. Let's see, that's pretty good premium here. I'm gonna make $200. That's gonna make quite the dent into my negative account balance. So look at that. We're down to $819. That is pretty good. Like I said before, if I would be keeping up on this, it wouldn't be such a big deal. Now let's take a look. What else we got? Yeah, we got some Ford and we got Verizon. I really don't want to sell my Ford. I really like the Ford stock. I love the Ford line of cars, trucks. I've had Ford for years. Right now I'm driving a Honda, but that's okay. I still love the Ford. Let's see what we can get for premium. Oh, I'm going to be sweating this one. All right, well, $50 is $50, right, guys? If I sell the stock, it's okay. We're in the profit zone. Not a huge deal. I really do like the dividend that it also pays. So, that's cool. But look at that.